power, performance, and consistent reliability. By taking care of the things that matter most to you, you can make them take you further. With professional expertise, a wealth of experience, and state-of-the-art diagnostics equipment, our Mercedes-Benz transmission specialists at Enduro Gearbox can make doing that simple. We offer these specialist repair services for automatic, electronic, Tiptronic, dual-clutch transmissions and manual gearboxes for Mercedes-Benzes. Characterized by quick turnaround times, exceptional service quality and reliability, we handle major and minor Mercedes-Benz transmission repairs. As Mercedes-Benz transmission specialists, Enduro Gearbox handles all areas of transmission repairs, replacements, and overhauls. Through extensive experience and specialization, we are able to offer our clients full rebuilds of their Mercedes-Benz transmission systems, restoring them to peak condition, and can also supply and fit transmission control units. Enduro Gearbox offers a fully comprehensive gearbox repair and reconditioning service for all mechanical and electronic transmission problems. Find out more by contacting us today.